Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. Now students, today we will discuss about the speech writing. Okay, what is speech writing and what is the format of speech writing? So let's see what is a speech writing. Now speech is used to convey information orally to a number of people. Okay, for example, in assemblies, suppose in assembly you give speech to somebody or you tell something about something, so that is a speech. Okay, suppose you are conveying some information about child labor or about a girl child. Okay, so the importance of newspaper, like so you are delivering something in front of the in front of number of peoples, so that is a speech. Okay, so speech is used to convey information orally to a number of people. The purpose of speech is to convince the listeners about the speaker's point of view. Okay, whatever you are saying, you have to convince the listeners, okay, by your statements. Next, to pass on a wide range of information, to convey the information whatever you want to say about that topic, to express an opinion, share a point of view, experience and observation, and lastly, to from your point of view, what you think. Okay, share your point of view, what is your observation and what is your experience about that particular statement or about that particular topic. So that is a speech. Okay. Now what the speech should contain, speech mein kya kya hona chahiye. A speech should start with a salutation, like good morning. Okay, good morning, and good morning to everyone. Then I so is here to express my views on the topic this. In this way you have to start, you have to present, that is the salutation. Now next are the key sentences, which is the central theme of the key issues of the speech. Since this introduces your speech, it should be catchy. Okay, so this the key sentences means when you are introducing your speech, the words which you are used should be short, should be precise, should be brief and crispy, so that the audience or the one who is listening get to know ki what you want to say, what is the topic. Okay, on which you want to express your views. Now next comes the body. Now body, you will need supporting data to make the speech credible and interesting. This should reflect clarity of thoughts, accuracy of facts and a balanced view, unless it is a debate that calls for one sided stand. Okay, so debate is different from speech. Debate is a one sided opinion. Okay, either you express your views for the topic or against the topic, but in speech you deliver everything related to that topic. Okay, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, or whatever the topic is related to, so you deliver everything. So the body is the main part where you express all the thoughts, and these thoughts should be clear in a simple sentence. Short sentences should be there, avoid using long sentences, complex sentences. Okay, so then the pronunciation. Okay, and then there should be a clarity. Okay, clarity honi chahiye, balanced views hone chahiye. Means if you are telling the advantages or disadvantages, so it should be balanced so that the audience is convinced by your thoughts. And lastly come the conclusion. Okay, you have to, whatever you have said, whatever you have built up, okay, so now you have to conclude, you have to consolidate your ideas on the basis of your personal observation, on the basis of general observation. Okay, and that should also be very catchy and striking. Okay, then thanking the audience, one needs to thank the audience at the end of the speech. Okay, that is the, again, your this concluding, you can say a concluding part. Okay, now let's discuss about the format of the speech. So I have already just discussed. So when you are writing a speech on any of the topic which is given to you, the first thing is that you have to mention the heading of the topic. Okay, then you have to start your speech with the salutation, opening sentence जिसको हम बोलते हैं, and it should be like good morning or good afternoon or good evening, whatever it is. Okay, I am your name, I am this, and today I am here in front of you to express my views on the topic, importance of reading, or whatever is the topic. So these are the few lines which you need to quote, okay, before starting your speech. So you have to greet the audience, and then you have to present the topic. Then main speech comes, okay, that is the body of the speech. Then statements of problem, causes of problem, results, suggestion. So that body contains everything related to the topic. Whatever you are delivering, the topic should contain everything. And finally comes the conclusion, and lastly is a thank you. आपको thank you लिखना होगा last में. So this is the format of the speech. Now, what thing you should remember, you should always use simple language, and there should be a connect with the audience. It should not look like you are just reading something. Okay, the speech should be like you are conveying something, you are interacting with the audience, you are expressing your views. Okay, so the audience should be involved in that. Do not exceed the word limit. Whatever word limit is given to you, that you have to keep this in your mind while writing a speech. The speech is merely a one-sided discussion in which one person construct a talk on a given topic and present it to the audience. So there is no cross questioning, because it's not a debate. You are just delivering your opinion, your thoughts about that topic. Okay, so so the thought should be balanced, very in means thoughtful hone chahiye. Okay, whatever you are saying, facts होने चाहिए, so that the audience whosoever is listening should be totally convinced with your views. Okay, so this is all about the speech writing, the format, and what all things you should keep in mind while writing a speech writing. So I hope you all have understood. Thank you everyone.